Problems based on reminders. First, side heading. Negative reminder concept. Negative reminder concept. Negative reminder does not exist in mathematics. It is an illusionary concept to solve reminder problems in less time. Suppose 13 I am dividing by 7. 13 when divided by 7, 7 ones are 7, positive remainder is 6. 7 ones are 7, positive remainder is 6. Negative remainder, 7 twos are 14, negative remainder is minus 1. Depending upon the merit of the question, I will use positive remainder or I will use negative remainder. Again I am repeating, 7 ones are 7, positive remainder is 6. 7 twos are 14, negative remainder is minus 1. Now, if you get a negative remainder, add it with the denominator to get the positive remainder. If you get a negative remainder, add with the denominator to get the positive remainder. If you get the negative remainder, add it with the denominator. If you get the positive remainder, subtract it from the denominator. If you get the positive remainder, subtract it from denominator. Subtract it from denominator to get the negative remainder. This you should know, otherwise remainder problems might be difficult. Once after we solve a lot of problems, you will come to know when to use positive remainder and when to use negative remainder. If you get a negative remainder, add it with the denominator. If you get a positive remainder, subtract it from the denominator. One more example. 20 divided by 9. 9 twos are 18. Positive remainder is 2. Positive remainder is 2. Negative remainder, 9 threes are 27. Negative remainder is minus 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 minus 7 9 is minus 7. I hope the definition of the definition of negative remainder is very clear. Negative remainder is an illusionary concept to save our time. This is the first concept. This is concept 1. Next, concept 2. Concept 2. Now, these two concepts, if you understand, we will start with basic. Slowly we will get into the next level. Second concept. Now listen carefully. Suppose if I take 20. 20 is a number. I am dividing it by 7. 7 twos are 14. Positive remainder is 6. Suppose if I take negative remainder, 7 threes are 21. Negative remainder is minus 1. Let me take another number, 40. I will divide it by 7. 7 fives are 35. Positive remainder is 5. Negative remainder, 7 sixes are 42. Negative remainder is minus 2. Suppose if I perform an addition operation, 20 plus 40 by 7. Listen carefully to this first example. 20 plus 40 by 7. I can solve this problem in 3 methods. Method 1. 20 plus 40 is 60. 60 divided by 7. 7 eights are 56. Remainder is 4. This is one method. Method 2. Adding and dividing it by 7. Method 2. Do it separately. If I do it separately, 7 to positive remainder. 7 twos are 14. Remainder is 6. 7 fives are 35. Remainder is 5. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. Positive remainder is 4. You divide individually. 7 twos are 14, 6. 7 fives are 35, 5. When you divide a number by 7, you will not get a remainder 11. So further divide. This is method 2 by using positive remainder. Method 3 by using negative remainder. 7 threes are 21. Negative reminder is -1. 7 6 are 42. Negative remainder is -2 divided by 7. -1 -2 -3. If you get a negative remainder, add it with the denominator. What is 7 minus 3? 4. If you individually do and divide by 7, if you do total and divide by 7, if you do negative reminders, in all the three cases, you will get the same answer. In all the three cases, you will get the same answer. This you should know. Always remainders are congruent under addition, subtraction, multiplication, and if it is multiplication, it will also be congruent under powers. It will also be congruent under powers. We will start from basic. Slowly we will get into the intermediate level. Finally advanced level. Problems. First one. Reminder 1. 37 into 39 divided by 41. 37 into 39 divided by 41. Now please don't multiply 37 and 39 and divide by 41. If you do individually, 41 ones are 41. What is the negative remainder? -4. 41 ones are 41. What is the negative remainder? -2. -4 into -2, 8. 8 is less than 41. So answer is 8. Answer is 8. I hope it is clear. Answer is 8. Answer is 8. This is the first one. This is the first one. Second one. Second question. Listen carefully. 61 into 63 into 64 divided by 65. 61 into 63 into 64 divided by 65. Please do not multiply 61, 63, 64 divided by 65. 65 ones are 65 minus 4. 65 ones are 65 minus 2. 65 ones are 65 minus 1. You got the negative remainder -8. Negative remainder is -8. Positive remainder will be add it with the denominator 57. Add it with the denominator 57. I hope it is clear. Introductory question. I hope it is clear, right? Slowly I will increase the level of difficulty. Reminder 1. 1998 into 1999 into 2000 divided by 7. 98, 99, 2000 divided by 7. You cannot multiply 1998, 1999, 2000 very fast, so we will do it individually. If I do individually, 7 2s are 14, 59, 7 8s are 56, 38, remainder is 3. Again I am repeating, 7 2s are 14, 59, 7 8s are 56, 38, 7 5s are 35, 3. If this is 3, this is 1 more than this number, this will be 4. This is 1 more than this number, this will be 5. 12 5s are 60. If you divide a number by 7, you will not get 60. Further divide it. 60 divided by 7. 7 8s are 56. What is the remainder? 4. What is the remainder? 4. I hope it is clear. 7 2s are 14, 15 9, 7 8s are 56, 38, 7 5s are 35, 3. 1998 gave the value 3. 99 will be 1 more than 4. 2000 will be 1 more than 5. 3 4 5. 12 5s are 60. 60 divided by 7. 7 8s are 56. Remainder is 4. Fourth question. Fourth one. Please write everything in your notebook while listening it. Right? Fourth one. I hope third one it is clear. Fourth one. Fourth one. First and second one model. Third and fourth another model. Reminder 1. 1421 into 1423 into 1425 divided by 12. 1421 into 1423 into 1425 divided by 12. If I do this, 12 ones are 12, remaining 22. 12 ones are 12, it is 101. 12 eights are 96, remainder is 5. This is 2 more than this value, it is 7. This is 2 more than this value, it is 9, divided by 12. 5 sevens are 35. 35 divided by 12. 12 threes are 36. Negative remainder is minus 1. Minus 1 into 9 is minus 9. Positive remainder will be 3. Positive remainder will be 3. Again I am explaining for the second time. 12 ones are 12, 22. 12 ones are 12, 101. 12 eights are 96, 5. This is 2 more than this, 7. This is 2 more than this, 9. 35 by 12. 12 threes are 36. Negative remainder is minus 1. You might ask me, sir, why can't I take this 2? You can take that 2. That also will give you the same answer. 5 into 6, 7, 9s are 63. 12 5s are 60. Remainder is 3. If you divide a number by 12, you will not get 15. 15 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12. Positive remainder is 3.